DaVinci Resolve 12.5 puts the same grading tools used by Hollywood studios at everyone's fingertips. Now, with version 12.5, there are even more new features and effects so you can create incredible-looking video. The color page is organized with the colorist's workflow in mind. The viewer dominates the top of the screen, showing you the image going to your video monitor. On the right is the node editor, which lets you combine multiple adjustments and effects together to create unlimited creative looks. The gallery on the left stores the saved reference stills with their grades. You can use the gallery to compare shots or for copying saved grades to the current shot. At the center of the screen is a thumbnail strip showing every clip in the current program. This makes it easy to navigate through all your shots. Below the thumbnail strip is a mini version of the edit timeline that highlights the current shot and can also be used to select new shots. The bottom of the screen contains all of DaVinci Resolve's powerful color correction tools, organized in a series of palettes. There's even a keyframe editor for dynamically animating grades. Getting started has never been simpler. DaVinci Resolve's project color management makes working with ungraded files fast and easy. Simply highlight the source clips, select a color space, and Resolve will automatically update your project. That means editors can work with ungraded footage that looks great, and colorists still have everything they need for creative grading. The Color Match tool can be used to balance shots that contain color charts. Just choose the chart from the list, which now includes the X-Rite Color Checker Video and Color Checker Passport video charts. Align the overlay with the chart in the frame, and click the Match button to quickly balance the shot and create a neutral starting point. The Shot Match tool lets you quickly match shots from different cameras, angles, and even different lighting conditions. Simply select the shots you want to match, and then tell Resolve which shot you want to match them to. This is a super fast and easy way to give you a good starting point for creative grading. DaVinci Resolve's primary correction tools let you balance the entire image, making it easy to add warmth or coolness to a scene, while the primary bars let you make independent adjustments to luminance, red, green, and blue to give the image a bolder look. New tint and temperature controls allow you to introduce more warmth or cooler tones to a shot, or correct for off-axis color balance issues caused by non-standard lighting. The incredibly flexible custom curves can be used to sculpt contrast and color more specifically, while hue and saturation curves let you adjust color in completely different ways, such as increasing the computer's glow on his face. Compared to the original shot, it's easy to see how just a few quick adjustments make all the difference. Secondary correction tools let you isolate specific areas of the image to make targeted changes. You can isolate areas like skin tones using color or luminance keys, and then make color adjustments. For instance, here we created smoother skin tone. Or you can isolate an area by drawing a power window over an object in the image. Once in place, you can track the object's movement over time. Resolve includes a full 3D tracker that can track objects even when their perspective changes. Once the track is complete, you can correct hastily drawn areas of a power window. The rough spline shape can be modified by moving a single control point. Or, now in DaVinci Resolve 12.5, you can select groups of control points. Using the Transform box, you can move, scale, rotate, or delete multiple points at once. The Advanced 3D Keyer lets you create color isolations faster and more accurately than ever before. You can draw lines over the areas you wish to keep, then fine-tune the selection using the Clean White, Clean Black, and Blur Matte finesse controls. Once you've isolated part of the image, you can easily adjust the color in that specific area. With the adjustment made, you can compare the before and after to evaluate the changes. The node editor is used to assemble primary and secondary corrections together to create full multi-correction grades. Each node can have color correction, power windows, and effects. With the enhanced node view in DaVinci Resolve 12.5, you can easily copy, swap, extract, and insert nodes, making it easier than ever before to create and modify the node tree. If things get too crowded, you can lasso multiple nodes and collapse them into a single compound node, and simply choose to view inside the compound node or decompose it to see the entire node tree. You can even lasso multiple nodes so you can pan, move, and delete them all at once. To easily work with HDR clips, Resolve includes a new option that enables grading tools to work in an extended dynamic range for HDR deliverables. DaVinci Resolve 12.5 now includes over a dozen essential filter effects, like Emboss, Gaussian Blur, Glow, Light Rays, and Edge Detect. Resolve FX can be quickly dropped onto any node, modified, and played back using GPU or CPU acceleration. When working with wide dynamic range RAW clips, Resolve's Camera RAW palette provides access to the specific controls for each of the different RAW formats. You can correct clips by changing the camera's ISO or the exposure, as well as other RAW processing adjustments that can help recover detail in highlights and shadows. Once you have a grade you want to keep, you can save it to the gallery. Now, in 12.5, you can even compare your saved gallery grades on a shot to see which one looks the best. To find a clip on the color page faster, you can use the Smart Clips filters to sort shots using metadata and keywords. Once created, custom smart filters are added to the drop-down menu, so you can quickly find shots that match the search criteria whenever you need them. You can then group shots together to make grading entire scenes faster. Changing the look of one clip in the group updates all of them automatically, including power windows and color correction. Using the Groups menu, you can easily switch from making adjustments to the group to making adjustments on an individual clip. Another way Resolve helps you work faster is by automatically copying looks to similar shots on your timeline. For instance, you can use the lightbox to quickly select all the ungraded shots and then copy the same grade to all of them. Resolve's unique versioning system lets you create as many versions of a grade as you like. This makes it easy to recall a grade for an indecisive client. And new in 12.5, after creating a few versions, you can easily compare them side by side in the split-screen view and simply click the one you want to use. Grading isn't just about color and contrast. Powerful spatial and temporal noise reduction makes it easy to clean up noisy shots while preserving crucial image detail. The improved spatial noise reduction in 12.5 includes a superior multi-GPU algorithm, while temporal noise reduction can use an expanded frame range, so you can tackle the noisiest of clips. Reframing shots is easy, and with Resolve's optical quality resizing, the reframed sequence always looks great. In addition to the traditional pan, tilt, zoom, and rotate controls, you can also adjust pitch and yaw for even more creative options. DaVinci Resolve's legendary image quality and massive yet approachable toolset make it the first choice for professional colorists and editors everywhere.